What if your dog got sick tomorrow and the bill was $10,000? Would you be prepared? This isn't a hypothetical for everyone. It's a real gut-wrenching moment that unfolds in veterinary clinics every single day. The sudden diagnosis, the shocking estimate, the impossible choice. Pets are family, we all say. We post their pictures, we buy them toys, we treat them like our children. But when the true cost of that love is laid bare on a sterile countertop, our convictions are tested. The conversation quickly shifts from what is best for the animal to what is possible for the bank account. It's a brutal, heartbreaking reality that many owners are simply not prepared to face. This essay is not here to sell you a product. It's here to make you think, to force you to confront the question before it's asked in a moment of panic and grief. Pet insurance. Some pet owners swear it saved their pet's life. Others say it's one of the biggest scams in the pet industry. So who's right? The first thing you need to understand is why that bill is so high in the first place. This isn't your grandfather's veterinary medicine anymore. Today, veterinary care mirrors human healthcare in its sophistication and, unfortunately, in its cost. Your local vet clinic is a miniature hospital. We can perform complex orthopedic surgeries, like TPLO for a torn ACL, that cost nearly as much as the human equivalent. We have access to advanced cancer treatments, chemotherapy, radiation, that can extend a pet's life with quality and dignity. This leap in medical capability comes with a hefty price tag. The diagnostic tools alone are a major driver of cost. An MRI or a CT scan can easily run into the thousands. A comprehensive blood panel adds hundreds more. Emergency surgeries involve specialists, advanced anesthesia monitoring, and intensive post-operative care. That emergency visit for a dog that ate a sock can be a few hundred for an exam, several thousand for an endoscopy, or full surgery. It's not price gouging, it's the real cost of advanced medicine. Real-world numbers. A simple emergency visit can start at $500 and climb past $2,000. If that visit reveals cancer, $10,000 or more for surgery and chemotherapy. Hit by a car, repairs for multiple fractures, $6,000 to $8,000. Chronic illnesses like diabetes and kidney disease require meds, special diets, and regular testing, adding up to thousands over a lifetime. These figures are not meant to scare you. They are meant to inform you. We remember when a vet visit cost $20. Medicine evolved, and so did the responsibility. Understanding this new reality is the first critical step. The question is no longer if, but when, and how you'll be prepared. This is the new normal. For those who champion pet insurance, it's not just a financial product. It is a lifeline. It represents the freedom to make medical decisions based on love, not money. Imagine your dog is in respiratory distress and the vet says immediate oxygen and tests are needed. The estimate is $3,000 for the first 24 hours. No guarantee on the final cost. For an uninsured owner, this is pure panic. With a good policy, the calculus is different. 80 to 90% may be reimbursed. They can say yes, fast, giving their pet the best chance of survival. This peace of mind is the biggest selling point. It transforms catastrophe into a manageable expense. You can focus on care, not cost. Gold standard care, specialists, advanced imaging, cutting-edge surgery. Avoid the heartbreak of limited options. Real stories. A cat with lymphoma, coverage for chemo, 2 more happy years. A puppy ate a corn cob, insurance paid for surgery, $5,000 reduced to manageable. A sudden $5,000 to $10,000 bill can devastate a family. Insurance spreads costs predictably each month. A budgeting tool for the unpredictable. It's not just about the pet. It protects the stability of the entire family. On the other side are the skeptics and the scorned, and their arguments are compelling. For them, pet insurance is a flawed system, a monthly gamble that often doesn't pay off. The cost, monthly premiums, $30 to over $100 per pet, add up over a lifetime. Owners of healthy pets may pay thousands and get little or nothing back. You're betting against your own pet's health. If they stay healthy, you lose the premiums. Then come the mechanics. Unlike human insurance, you usually pay up front, then submit a claim, and wait weeks or months. Reimbursement is not guaranteed. Exclusions, deductibles, copays, coverage limits. And the big one, pre-existing conditions. A vague symptom from years ago can sink a crucial claim today. Premiums can skyrocket as pets age, least affordable when you need it most. Long, convoluted contracts, surprises discovered too late. Terms can change at renewal, higher costs or new exclusions. Annual and lifetime caps limit payouts. Waiting periods mean you can pay for months before illness coverage kicks in. Breed age can push premiums sky high, or bar coverage. To critics, it feels less like a safety net, and more like a casino where the house has the edge. The real battle over pet insurance is won or lost in the fine print. Most owners never truly dissect the policy. That's a critical mistake. The brochure promises peace of mind. The contract defines how little they might pay. Policies are not created equal. They vary wildly. What they cover, how they pay, what they exclude. One plan covers cancer robustly. Another excludes it or caps it low. One might cover dental disease. Most will not. Pre-existing is the top denial reason, and insurers define it broadly. A symptom noted before enrollment can torpedo a related claim later. Waiting periods, 14 days for illnesses, up to 6 months or even a year for orthopedic issues. 90% of what? Actual vet bill or a fee schedule? Fee schedules can be far below what ERs charge. Deductibles matter. Annual is better than per incident. These details can mean thousands back, or almost nothing. Don't be swayed by low premiums alone. Buy with knowledge. Ask direct questions. Demand clear answers. Know what is covered, and more importantly, what is not. Faced with this confusing landscape, many owners feel paralyzed. But indecision is not a strategy. Dr. Elie recommends every pet owner have a financial plan for emergencies, whether through pet insurance, savings, or a dedicated emergency fund. There are 3 main paths. Pet insurance, a dedicated high-yield savings account, a hybrid model. Automate deposits each month, the equivalent of a premium, so the fund grows and is fully under your control. Or choose a lower-cost plan with a high deductible for true catastrophes. The $10,000 cancer diagnosis, the $8,000 accident. Accept smaller issues, ear infections, minor injuries, out of pocket or from savings. Whichever path you choose, be proactive. Start today, make a choice, and commit to it. Beyond money, prevention is your most powerful tool. Stay on top of vaccinations and parasite control. Invest in high-quality nutrition and healthy weight to prevent costly disease. Regular exams, screenings, and dental cleanings catch issues early and avoid bigger bills. Mental prep matters. A plan helps you think clearly in crisis. Talk to your veterinarian now about typical costs and what interventions you're comfortable with. Let's get specific. These are the diagnoses with 5-figure price tags. Trauma tops the list. Multiple injuries need stabilization, imaging, and surgery. Costs can soar past $8,000 to $10,000. Cancer, workups, surgeries, chemo or radiation, $5,000 to well over $10,000. They can add precious time, but at a steep cost. Foreign object surgery, $3,000 to $7,000. Bloat is life-threatening and often exceeds $6,000. Chronic conditions silently drain budgets month after month. What would you do if your veterinarian gave you a $7,000 estimate today for your pet? Today, what is your gut reaction? Do you have that in savings? Can you put it on a card? Do you start calling for loans? Or does dread set in as you face the option you can't bear, economic euthanasia? Many are treatable, many conditions are manageable, but pets are surrendered or worse because care costs too much. The question isn't just, could you afford this? It's what will you do if you can't? When an owner can't pay, the story often ends at a shelter door. This is the unseen consequence of rising veterinary costs. Rescues are inundated with owner surrenders, not unloved, just unaffordable. An 8-year-old golden needs a $6,000 knee surgery. A cat with diabetes. Its person can't afford lifelong insulin. Rescues become ERs and long-term care, shouldering surgery, treatment, rehabilitation. They launch urgent pleas and stretch every dollar. This is where the Dr. Elie Pet Rescue steps in. A 100% nonprofit, every donation goes directly to care. Emergency surgeries for the found and forgotten. Months of care for FIV-positive cats. Donations fund food, shelter, medicine, and a path to a new life. Community and compassion make miracles, but the struggle is constant. The need is endless. Our vet bills are a crushing weight. Your generosity makes this work possible. You're funding second chances, surgeries, antibiotics, prescription food. You become part of recovery and redemption. Supporters can also help through Dr. Elie Skincare and Cosmetics. All products are gluten-free, paraben-free, talc-free, FDA-approved, cruelty-free, and designed for both men and women. 100% of proceeds help feed, rescue, and treat animals nationwide. Buying for yourself or a loved one directly fuels life-saving care. We've walked through the minefield. We've looked at the costs, the risks, and the heartbreaking choices. Now comes the decision. Your pet looks to you for food, shelter, love, and protection. Choices today shape their tomorrow. Invest in robust insurance, build a dedicated fund, or choose a hybrid. Just make a plan. Do not let indecision be your strategy. Prevention is your strongest ally. Commit to it. Good nutrition, wellness exams, and healthy weight save money and suffering. Talk to your vet. Build a partnership. Decide together. If you can, help those without a plan. Help the rescues on the front lines. Every donation goes directly toward feeding, rescuing, treating, and caring for animals nationwide. For tax purposes, our EIN is in the description. Even a small gift can fund a vaccine, a meal, or part of a life-saving surgery. Whether you choose pet insurance or not, one thing is certain. Your pet depends on you when life takes an unexpected turn. The best time to prepare is before the emergency happens. Donate via the link in our bio and caption.